Going to get into talking about barefoot running and forefoot striking. Now, most trainers today, like running trainers, they mollycoddle our feet. They've got so much cushioning. They promote heel striking when you're running because of the big cushion. Now, the idea of that cushion is to protect your feet, make sure running's easier, blah, blah, blah. But your body is fully capable of taking that impact without all that cushioning. With all that cushioning, you've got no sensory feedback. It's like wearing a pair of gloves, trying to write or unlock your phone. You can't feel it. It's not gonna work. Like tying your shoelaces with gloves on. There's no chance. You take your gloves off, you tie your shoelace. It's the same thing with your feet. You wrap them up in cotton wool. Say you go onto a stone. More than likely, because you can't feel that stone, that's initial peripheral nervous system. You can't feel that initial feedback through your foot. Chances are you're going to roll over on your ankle. Now, wearing some sort of barefoot trainer, they've got a wider toe space, designed for your toes to spread on impact and run on the balls of your feet. And you don't want to be running on the heel because it's a tiny surface area. Now, if you try and run in these or run barefoot on the grass, you will automatically go onto your toes, onto your balls of your feet. Nature will take its course. It just will happen. But the moment you put a big sole cushion, you'll go heel toe, which is incorrect. Now, when you're on the balls of your feet, your calves engaged, your quads, your glutes, your hamstrings, everything's engaged and ready to take impact. So as soon as you hit the floor, all your muscles is taking that strain and taking that impact. Now, if you heel strike, your foot's nice, and your leg's straight, you're going through your heel, it hit through your knee and into your hip. So you're not actually contracting the muscles in the correct way. So I would recommend trying some sort of barefoot running on the grass and just see how it feels. See for yourself, try it out. Barefoot trainers aren't for everybody. I've been wearing them for like 5-6 years, just walking around and training in them. I like to squat in them, deadlift, because again, you can feel the floor. You look at any lifters out there, a lot of the time they wear Converses because they're nice and flat, so you can feel your feet. You've got the big heavy weight on the back, you can feel the ground and you know when to lift. So it's the same thing with running. But I tried running these 10K about, first lockdown, did 10K, calves obliterated, stiff as you like, quads, I've never felt anything like it. Shouldn't have done 10K, I should have done slightly less. But anyway, got into it, kept running and haven't looked back since. I've had no knee pain, no hip pain, I don't go over my ankles so much, and you definitely get more feedback with barefoot trainers. So think about it, it's food for thought. I'm not saying go out and buying them and then trying to 10 mile because you'll probably get put off and never do it again. It's all about doing it gradually and seeing what works best for you. So as we run, forefoot strike, so your quads taking the tension, your calf, you're all on your toes, you get sensory feedback and your body weight is in line with your foot. Now, if you heel strike, bang, like this. You're going to take it through your heel, obviously, then through your knee, then through your hip.